Today we're going to show you how to get started with a new feature on the My Disney Experience app that will provide contactless Walt Disney World Park entry. This new feature launched on March 30th, 2021 for Apple devices. This will be a phased rollout, so it will eventually be available on other devices as well. You may be familiar with Disney's Magic Band. The Magic Bands have been around for a number of years and have offered guests visiting Walt Disney World a convenient way to access the information stored within their My Disney Experience account, including their park tickets. All you have to do to get into the parks is scan your Magic Band at the touchpoint. Your park ticket is accessed and you're given the OK to enter the park. The new feature I'm about to show you is an alternative to the Magic Band. But don't worry, if you're still a big fan of the Magic Band, you can definitely still use it. In fact, it'll be interchangeable with the new MagicMobile feature on your Apple device, so you can use whichever one happens to be the most convenient at the moment. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you have the My Disney Experience app loaded to your phone. This is what the app looks like. Once you've linked your Walt Disney World vacation package or your park tickets to your My Disney Experience account, you'll be able to go into the app and create your MagicMobile passes. This is what the home page will look like. It'll show the details of your reservation, and then down at the bottom in the right-hand corner where the three horizontal lines are located, go ahead and tap on those. This page will give you several options, one of which is the Disney MagicMobile. Tap that. Now these are the passes that I've already created for 3 of us. I still need to create one more, so I'm going to go up in the upper right hand corner where the plus symbol is located, and I'll tap that. And then I'm going to select the name of the person for which I want to create a pass. I think I want to switch the style, so I'm going to tap Change Pass Style. And this gives me other options from which to choose. They have some that are themed after the parks, and they have a couple that are themed after some favorite foods, favorite snacks in the parks. So I'll go back up here to the top and I'm going to select this one. Okay, done at the bottom. Now I want to go ahead and add this mobile pass to my Apple Wallet. So I go ahead and tap that and add. This takes a couple of minutes, but once it's loaded to your wallet, you'll be able to see it there. You'll also be able to see it if you have an Apple Watch in the digital wallet on the Apple Watch. So this is how it will work when you're at the parks. You'll just put your phone near the touch point. You don't even have to open it, or your Apple Watch, and then it'll scan your pass. And then to manage passes for your family and friends, you will need to open your phone and go to the wallet, and then you'll swipe over to their pass and redeem it that way. We hope you have a wonderful time on your next Walt Disney World vacation, and don't forget to contact us at Enchanted Escapes Travel for all your planning needs.